Hello, good evening. From this evening, I managed to learn two songs. Right, so I've done the new one today called Hotel California. It's the one I did before, right? Scratch all that right because I found that because I learned this one, right, which is so the A chords, right, for the whole song itself, which I will video, right. So the one I did before, right, scratch all that, right, because it was I don't think it was the entire song. You see, that's why, right. But I do apologise for that anyway. But there you go. I've got a new song, right, which I'm gonna do, right. It's called Hotel California, and it was sang right sometime in the late 1960s to sort of 70s as well. So, well, I would say 1970s, but I think when it was out anyway. And so I've got the chords. The other song is called, I've got another, it's called Through the Birds. It's only three chords, which is, I know, I'll show you. A, which, and then D, and E7. But there's another type of E chord, which is a bit hard at the moment. So if you're not using the one, just try using E7 instead. And E7 is on the 4th string on the 1st fret, and then it's on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and then the last one on the 2nd string, 1st string. So, and that's E7. So, so each one has a stop, so you. But if you can use your hands right somehow, I can't do it right because my hands are quite awkward to do it anyway. But what I do is when I do an E chord or A chord, right, I go. So basically, I use my hand to stop. So. And there's another song, right, by Mark, right. This is called Through the Birds, right, and the other thing is so and also with this one you do don't worry about a thing, 'cause everything, and then today is gonna be all right. So you do it 3 or 4 times on the E, but you keep pulling, so it's like. Like they see, with the verse, is A to E7, and back to A again. So with this song, it only has 3 chords. So it's A, E7, A to D, and then back to A again, and E7 to D, and to A. But it's so it's like. So, you can learn also about, if you play this to the song as well, Through the Birds by Bob Marley. I think it's, it'd be Bob Marley, yeah. So there's your verse, right? But you do have other strings like, so you have an open, so you have C, and so it's, So it's like open yours and then F. But I'm not too sure about that one at the moment. I need to go back to learn the song again at some point. But you have your intro, which is the one I showed you before, so I'll show you again. So you go. So there you go. And the other thing also is there's a song called Hotel California. As I explained before, that it was sung by the Beatles sometime in the 1970s. And you have your intro, which is A minor, E7, G, and D, F, and two more chords. I can't remember what they're at the moment, right? But on the chorus, right, you have A minor, E7. So basically, it's almost the same chorus. So on the chorus, right, you have 1, 2, 3. So you have 3 different choruses to the song, right? And then on the other ones, right, you have F, C, D minor, A minor, F, C, and then so you have your intro, your chorus, and then you have your, I think you did like two different verses, but they have the same song, right? And I'll show you. So that's, but I'm gonna take it on a video track and put it on with the other song as well, with the other one called Three Little Birds. And if you're not too sure, I do have the chords on my, that's right, it's on my Instagram, on my YouTube, but it's on one of the two, but the chord is there. I got some other chords that I showed you before, several weeks ago, about what I've done so far. So from this evening, there are the 2 songs that I've done so far. I'm just self-checking to make sure that's all, that I'm not missing out on anything. So I do have, sorry about that, the cat was just looking around. So what I was trying to say is I do have a song called Wellerman's Sea Shanty. That I still need to learn, but it's quite hard anyway because of the rhythm and the pattern as well. So until tomorrow, I'll let you know what's happening, and I'll say good night, and I'll see you later. But also, keep smashing my subscribes and give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. So until tomorrow, I'll say good night, and I'll see you later. Bye.